Hello, hello, this is Charles, California.
Bonjour à tous, c'est Seb Salcedo.
How are you doing today? Today we're going to have an exciting unboxing for you guys. And I'm finally with Seb on this one. We're going to do our first unboxing together. It's gonna be Charles, California and Sebastian channel. So we're gonna head into it and then we'll show you what we got. So we went to Louis Vuitton South Coast Plaza. We're going to insert some pictures there. So this is what we got, and we met Nicole. She's our client advisor. And then yeah, so Seb is going to talk about what we got here. And then by the way, we got the new shopping bag, right, baby? We got the new shopping bag for this season. This is the one, and it's so nice and so pretty. And then we also got the white ribbon with the same concept of their seasonal packaging. So yeah. So what do we have here today, baby?
I tried to open the box and discover the product.
Yes. So there's a lot of things that we're kind of like thinking of. So here you go. This is what we got. Okay, babe.
Ta-da!
Dun, dun, dun. And then of course we got the dust bag with that. And then
And so remember me the name of this product?
it's a Bumbag. So yeah. So this is the Bumbag that we got.
So if I remember good, it's Eclipse and Taiga leather.
Okay, so it is the Eclipse and the Tiger-leather.
You can put like that or fix it here. You have two possibilities.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You have the new type of metal.
Yeah. The hardware on it. It's a silver one. And then the compartments.
You have two compartments.
So there's the first compartment in the front. And then there's a big compartment on the back. And then this one is made out of
Made in Italy, this one.
Yeah. So this one is made in Italy. And then show them the belt. So that's the belt on that. It's a silver. Which is really good. This is good because we do have the Eclipse keypal. So it kind of complements to this one, and we do have the Damier graphite keypal too. So that's kind of like complement with each other. So yeah. So there you go. And then now what he's going to do is he's going to demonstrate this one to us. How are you, the two possibilities, how are you going to wear it? And then the first one, there you go. So that's the first possibility. It's like the typical bum bag that you're going to have. There you go. It's called outdoor bum bag. There you go. There you go. So that's the one possibility to do that, to wear it.
So in the front,
The back, on the side, or in the back. So there you go. So that's how you wear it. And then the second one, how they're gonna wear that.
the second possibility.
So the good thing about it is that the belt of it is adjustable. And then this is the second possibility that you can wear it. There you go. So that's the second possibility that you're going to wear down. So which is really good because this one, it's not really it's just a simple one and it's not too bulky. Because there's other bum bag from Louis Vuitton that it's so bulky and then it's kind of like a really big one. But this one, it's a tiny one. It's so nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And do you like the shape, the color, and then the...
Of course, he looked like a masculine bag.
Yes, yes. So it's really a masculine type of bag that you can wear. So yeah, which is really nice. So now the best thing about this one is we got this one for how much? $130. Why is that? So we have a story to tell you guys. So for $130 we got this. How much is the real price of this one? This one is $1,745 including the tax. But we only got this one for $130 because we had a store credit of 1,616. There you go. Because what had happened was we had a sack plant that we let them repair, but they were not able to repair it. And then they told me after 3 weeks that it's not repairable. So what had happened that we got credited on that sack plat. So I'm not going to have a sack plat anymore. This is the replacement for that one because I told you guys that we're going to show you the unboxing of it and stuff like that after repair. It's not gonna happen anymore. This is the new sack plat that I had because they gave us credit on that from the Louis Vuitton store of Costa Mesa because they were not able to repair it. Now so we got this one for about $130. And then yeah, so that's the only thing we paid for this beautiful bag. And then yeah, right? Is it a good deal? Yes, it is a really good deal. What are you gonna say about the bag, baby? Do you like it?
Yeah.
How's the wear and stuff?
I really like this product because he look very fancy, but in the same time simple. You have like a good quality of product for the leather and for the metal used. And he is really light, not too heavy for the back all the day.
Yeah,
so
that's true. That's true. So. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And then this is a good opportunity. I'm exposing him to do all this with me because sooner or later it's going to be our channel. So yeah.
Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Anyways, thank you very much for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna edit that, don't worry.
Tell him by you.
I don't know.